The pumpkin lives! Right behind the chair. It's recording.
What?
It's recording.
Oh, dang.
Dang.
Oh, hi. Hi. Dad. You know what? This isn't good. Mine just went boom.
What happened?
Smash
You finally
it.
get it?
Stand up there and smash it. Yeah, get the smash it. You got it. You can beat that one back. Oh, jeez. Next year, I'm not going to care about the perfect pumpkin.
Hillbilly days.
It's hillbilly days. Yeah, yeah. Next time, I'm just